Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. But before I get into it, I just want to say hi to all my subscribers. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I just want to say thank you for all your comments, and thank you for supporting my channel, for watching, and yeah, thank you. I just appreciate it. So this comes to me from DPClubs, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. So what did they send? Well, for one, let me get in here. One, I got another bag of these little clips. I have found that I love these little things. They come in handy for all sorts of things. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 different color clips, and they are very strong. And they are flat on one side and curved on the other. But these little guys hold really good. They hold really tight. And they are only $1.99 for 8. But I have found that I have started doing miniature dollhouse kits. And these little dudes come in very handy to hold on to things that I have glued, and I don't have to sit and I have to hold it until the glue dries. I just clip these little guys on there, and I can just lay it down and let it dry. Plus, these are good for gluing for holding your plastic back on your diamond paintings. These are good for just all kinds of things. These things come in handy for everything. These are good for potato chip bags, okay? They're good for anything. So I love these. And for $1.99 for 8 of them, yeah, love them. And before I had tried them, I thought to myself, now what in the world would I use them tiny little things for? Y'all, these things come in handy for all sorts of things, okay? All right, $1.99 for those. All right, the other thing that I got was this big honka diamond painting. I've seen this. I really liked it, okay? Very colorful. I thought it was very pretty. But apparently I'm not going to be able to get into it because I can't find the opening. There it is. Alright. So, this is a 60 by 50. It had no name. It just was in the animal collection. Okay. It is a 60 by 50. It is poured glue. It is a full round. And I am just going to roll it back on itself just a little bit so that I can get it to smooth out some. But it does come with just your regular little toolkit. And it does have 2 squares of wax, a green boat, and just a regular little pink pen. Just normal toolkit. Whew. Okay, so it is just in these little bitty 200 bags. Not 200 bags, although it might be 200 bags. But these hold 200 drills in these bags. But the colors are pretty. But these bags, nobody likes these bags. I like kitting up, so it's not a big deal to me. I just take and cut these in 2 and 3s. You know, like I'll have 2 bags and I just fold them together, snip off the top, and just dump them in. But yeah, they are slightly a pain in the butt, but this is the image that I got, and it is Noah's Ark, and it is, like I said, a 50 by 60. It has got 22 colors, and it is just letters, and it is DMC charted, and it looks pretty good. It is very clear, very sticky, but I hope y'all can see this. There may be a lot of glare, but it is the Ark, and it has all the animals 2 by 2. There is a rainbow, there is like a jungle in the background, there is the sunset, there's the water, and then we have like 2 zebras, we've got 2 camels, 2 panda bears, 2 elephants, 2 parrots, there's 2 giraffes in the background, all kinds of birds. There's 2 flamingos. I see all kinds of birds. Looks like a sloth right there. Yeah, lots of birds. So, looks like some polar bears right there. Y'all might be able to see it a little bit better than I can. I mean, it looks really good. The rendering is good, but looks like maybe 2 monkeys right there. But yeah, this, I thought it was really pretty, but this is $14.79 on DPClubs. But I thought it was really pretty, and like I said, it's Noah's Ark, and it's very colorful. So what do y'all think? Has anyone done this one? Or one similar to it? It's a lot to take in on it. But yeah. So what do y'all think? Like I said, the drills are really pretty. Really pretty. And I'm not seeing anything wrong with the drills other than the drill bags themselves being the little tiny bags. But the colors are really pretty. Sorry about the shaking. The boys are underneath the desk. Of course, it's time to do a video, so it's time to play. And these little clips are also good to clip your little baggies shut. If you don't have like a container and you just work out of your baggies, you can clip your bag shut too. So, alright y'all, that's all I got from DPClubs. And again, thank you to DPClubs for sending this to me. And until my next video, y'all, I hope all is well. And if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I will leave a link to these products in my description box. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later. Bye, y'all.